Tracheostomy is usually performed between the tracheal rings of cartilage of options A, second and third. Option B, third and fourth. Option C, fourth and fifth. Option D, all of those. Correct answer is option A, second and third. Next question is tracheal started at the level of option A, fourth cervical vertebra. Option B, fifth cervical vertebra. Option C, sixth cervical vertebra. Option D, seventh cervical vertebra. Correct answer is C, sixth cervical vertebra. Next question is muscles used in respirations are all expert. Option A, internal intercostal muscle. Option B, external intercostal muscles. Option C, diaphragm. Option D, sternocleidomastoid muscles. Correct answer is D, sternocleidomastoid muscles. Next question is the nerve which supply the diaphragm is. Option A, diaphragmatic. Option B, phrenic. Option C, radial. Option D, sciatic. Correct answer is B, phrenic. Next question is blood supply of lungs are. Option A, pulmonary artery. Option B, pulmonary vein. Option C, bronchial artery. Option D, all of those. Correct answer is all of those. Next question is which among the following activity helps in the productions of surfactant? Option A, taking deep breath. Option B, coughing exercise. Option C, strenuous exercise. Option D, ROM exercise. Correct answer is option A, taking deep breaths. Next question is the artery that supply blood to the diaphragm is called. Option A, inferior mesenteric artery. Option B, suprarenal artery. Option C, inferior phrenic arteries. Option D, celiac arteries. Correct answer is option C, inferior phrenic arteries. Next question is normal tidal volume in adult is about. Option A, 300 ml. Option B, 500 ml. Option C, 1200 ml. Option D, 3600 ml. Correct answer is option B, 500 ml.